Alright, so today I'm going to add some text and prepare a cutout for it. So here we go. Add text. It's really big, so I need to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to reduce it 10 times. 0.1. And 0.1. And I can manually move it around. Okay, so my first operation, I'm going to delete it so I can make it one operation. It's going to be a like it has a ball cutout there. All the presets, they're all ball cutouts. So I made my own. I can use a ball cutout to do testing. Okay, so right now the object should be text, and it is. And I will change the bit size. I have a 1/8 bit size, so 3.125 millimeters. Well, it should be 3 here. And it's not a sphere, it's a end mill. And besides that, you have like the speed, the spindle speeds, and the feed rate. My machine in wood can cut at 1.2 meters per minute. So basically that's all you need. You can choose to cut outside, inside, or on the line. Right now we will choose outside. And of course you can auto-generate the bridges. The depth of the cut see where the depth is. Right, so I want 10 millimeter. I want to start at 0 and stop at 10 with a 3 millimeter step down. My CNC could do better than that. We could do a 5 millimeter or 6 millimeter step down. And use layers that will cut gradually. And the you can choose the first down, so that means it's going to cut one letter and then cut the other one and then cut the other one. If you don't do that, it's going to cut the first layer, first layer, and then go back. And then let's see, it should be ready to cut. So now you have a nice cut all around, different depths, nothing else to do. So this is how to cut some text with Blendercam. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll be making a few of these videos, and sometimes I hope it can save you some time. Oh, another thing about the text, which is important, I forgot to mention, is that if you're able to edit it without changing the parameters. There you go. Have a great day.